Nothing like yummy snacks to go along with a great movie. Seriously? I just bought these. Who's that? Nothing like some big-time security to change the mood of a room. Move over, kids. This dude has some serious power. I'll take it from here, David. Boss's orders. Are these rule breakers in my midst? Let's not waste any more time. Yep, that's right. Keep it going. Little do they know, this boss is a master food sneaker. I can't believe they all fell for that. Time to get snacking, folks! If you want to learn more awesome ways to sneak food, keep your eyes peeled and your mouth watering. What? I was really hungry, okay? Math class is anything but fun. Ha! Saved by the bell. Hold it right there, Naomi. You haven't solved today's problem. No answer, no recess. But I can't focus when I'm hungry. I could sure use a little brain food. Okay, think. Who even invented numbers anyway? Is it negative? Nope. I can't think for one more second. You coming or what? Recess is almost over. I haven't even eaten yet. Ah! Got it! Hang tight, okay? What's the answer to this problem? Bingo! Operation Feed Naomi in full effect. First, fill the truck up with the essentials. Put double-sided tape on the back of the candy. Then stick it to the side of the car. Perfect! But don't stop there. Think this is enough snacks? It sure is beautiful, isn't it? Special delivery! Help is on the way, Naomi! Don't let the teacher see it! Time to make a beeline to Naomi's desk. Here we go! That thing sure moves fast. What? You're the best, Tina! Thank you! Chocolate's a good place to start. And this is the good stuff. Sweet, milky goodness! Boy, does that hit the spot or what? Okay, now I can think straight. Duh, it's 5. Read it and weep, Teach. Oh, goodness. This girl's in worse shape than I thought. No snack can fix this problem. Whoa! Check out Tina's six-pack! How long did it take to get those? Yep, I worked hard for these bad boys. 100 sit-ups a day sure paid off. They sure are looking good. Whoa! How'd she get those? I can barely lift these 10-pound dumbbells. And what's the use anyway? I'm doomed to be fluffy forever. This is truly hopeless. How does she look so perfect? It's just so unfair. Whatever. I bet she never eats snacks like me. But I can't live without my chocolate. Wait, that's it! Like these chocolate squares? Put double-sided tape on the back. And stick it right to your belly. Once your shirt's down, you've got yourself a six-pack. Hey, think my crunches are working? I'll take that as a yes! I gotta go do some sit-ups. Suit yourself. I'd rather eat some chocolate. I suddenly have a new appreciation for working out. These are allowed inside, right? Ooh, definitely not. Stupid rules. Enjoy the movie, miss. Next. Nothing on us, see? Enjoy. Hold it right there. No drinks allowed. You can enjoy it outside, okay? This is just ridiculous. The balloons! This may just be my ticket in. Deflate a balloon and get a bottle of your favorite soda. Pop that sucker open and pour it into the balloon. Fill up a couple of balloons like this. Cheers to being sneaky. Can't see him now, can you? Oh, movie security guy? Any seats left in there for me? Like my shirt, do ya? Oh, you're a doll, thanks! I love this job. I can't believe that worked! Good thing I had straws handy. Tina? What? I don't even want to know. These elements are tricky. So many abbreviations. Whoa, my tummy is a-rumbling. Wait! I forgot I had some chocolate. Tina! Put that down. But I'm just so hungry. Fine. Aw, don't worry, Tina. I have something that'll hold us over. Like gummy candy? Take fun shapes. And stick tape on the back. Peel off the backing like this. And stick it onto your hair elastic. Bet you didn't know this was candy. Now when you're feeling peckish, no problem. Wow! That's awesome! Can I? This one has my name on it. Girls? Are you eating each other's hair? What am I actually looking at? They're like animals! How things trend these days, I'll never know. I'm so hungry! I've never been so ready to eat in my life. Ooh. Not quite what I was in the mood for. You'll learn to love it, dear. Oatmeal is disgusting! I much prefer sugar in the mornings. Milk chocolate's my fave. Mom's behind me, isn't she? This is terrible for growing girls. Now eat the oatmeal, Naomi. Oh, I don't think I'd keep it down. It's like a thick paste. Why is my life so terrible? Unless… Time for a little sneaking action. Take a plotted plant and remove the inner pot. Lay the plant down like this. And use a box cutter to cut the bottom part in half. Next, cut the bottom off a popcorn bucket. Use a hot glue gun to help the flowers stick on top. Remember the pot? Drop some candy in. And put the plant right on top. Fill the empty space with dirt. Looks inconspicuous enough. Now when Mom's not looking, you can grab yourself a little treat. You'd better eat that quick! What Mom doesn't know won't hurt her. She's coming! Mmm, so delicious! See, Mom? Just eating my oatmeal.
Glad to see that, sweetie. Enjoy!
She's even more gullible than I thought. And back to the candy bar I go. Now that's what a breakfast of champions looks like. Think you know the best way to sneak food? Be sure to share this video with your friends and get snacking! Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the delicious fun!